Hello! This week we've been exploring paradoxes, places where mathematics stretches our intuition and forces us to think more deeply about reality. And today we arrive at one of the strangest questions of all. Why does mathematics describe the universe so well? Physicist Eugene Wigner famously called this the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics. Because the deeper we explore reality, the more mathematics seems to be woven into the structure of the universe itself. Take light, for example. Physicists discovered that light travels along the path that takes the least time, not the shortest distance, the fastest path, which means light somehow behaves as though it is solving an optimization problem. That feels almost impossible. How does nature know mathematics? Or consider one of the most famous equations that's ever been discovered. E raised to the I times pi, and then all of that plus 1. What does this equal? 0. This equation connects some of the most important ideas in math. E connects to growth and change. Pi connects to circles. I connects to imaginary numbers. 1 represents unity, and 0, represents nothingness. At first, these ideas seem completely unrelated. Growth, geometry, imaginary numbers, unity, and nothingness. Yet, somehow, they fit together perfectly in a single equation. Why? The deeper mathematicians explore, the more hidden connections they discover. Ideas developed centuries apart suddenly converge. Different branches of mathematics unexpectedly fit together. It begins to feel less like scattered human inventions and more like the discovery of an underlying structure already waiting there. And maybe that longing for unity exists in us as well, because much of life feels fragmented. We separate work and meaning, logic and beauty, science and faith, mind and heart. But mathematics repeatedly hints that reality may be more interconnected than we first imagined, that beneath the apparent chaos, there may be deeper order. Of course, mathematics does not eliminate mystery. In many ways, math increases mystery, because the more clearly we see the patterns, the more astonishing it becomes that the patterns exist at all. Adam Grant talks about the importance of rethinking, being willing to let reality reshape our assumptions rather than forcing reality to fit inside our existing categories. And mathematics trains us to do exactly that. It repeatedly stretches our understanding beyond what initially feels reasonable. Perhaps wisdom is not reducing reality until it becomes small enough to fully control. Perhaps wisdom is learning to stand in awe of a reality that is both intelligible and mysterious at the same time. A universe we can partially understand, yet never completely exhaust. And maybe hope begins there, not in having every answer, but in trusting that beneath the complexity, there are signs of beauty, order, and connection that gives deeper meaning to life.